Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Play Store download pending problem. Sometime when you try to download or update any app, Apple Store or Play Store gets stuck on download pending. Don't worry, this problem is very common and easy to fix. First, check your internet connection, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and make sure your Wi-Fi is connected, or you can switch to the mobile data. If the internet is slow, the download may stay pending. After that, you can restart your phone. A simple restart can fix small problems. Now open the App Store, tap on the profile icon. After that, tap on App. If there are many apps waiting to update, pause or cancel them and try downloading one app at one time. Next, check your storage space. If your phone storage is full, download will not start. Delete unused app, photos or videos to free space. Also make sure your auto update app is not causing issue. In the Play Store setting, turn off auto update temporarily. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.